Michael, it's great to see you here again at Nordic Fintech Week.
Thanks.
For those who have not had the pleasure of meeting you, just tell us briefly who you are and what you do.
Yeah, I'm Michael. I'm the CEO of Today. We are an AI sales assistant for banking, insurance, and pension. And we're basically helping improve the quality of advice and also save advisors a lot of time after their consultations. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now, you have experience in the insurance industry before, having worked for some large companies, made an exit. How has the experience that you gained from there helped you build Today from the ground up and just basically make inroads into the industry?
It's a very good point. I saw firsthand that advisors are just crunched for time and face time with their customers, and that also not only being an expert is important, but also the empathy and the delivery to actually help your customers navigate those situations in life. Mm-hmm. And also, of course, the unfair access to some of the most, let's say, innovative and fast-moving and forward-thinking advisors in the world is, of course, a huge pleasure for us to be working with them. Yeah.
Right. Now, last time we spoke, I was really fascinated by the whole value proposition of Today, basically using AI agents to improve the communications using AI to improve the communication that agents have with people and then doing some intelligence on the back of that. How has the vision or how has the value proposition been fine-tuned since we spoke last year?
Absolutely, yeah. So now I would say first it's live with large insurance companies, advisories. We have now also focused on the documentation aspect so that they save a lot of time, up to 5 hours a week on call wrap-up. We're also helping getting more data points from the conversations into the CRMs, which is also a huge pain. And yeah, we launched an AI voice bot that you can practice your conversations with, and that we're very soon launching also to the customers, so that the customers, when the advisors on the nights and weekends, when they basically want to spend time with their family, that an AI is consulting the customers, collecting claims, and it's being available. Yeah. So that's kind of how we help advisors also scale their expertise. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now, what I think is really remarkable about this is that this idea is you're currently developing it for the insurance industry, but it could potentially be expanded to every single other part of financial services. Is that within your plans in the near future to also take this know-how, this expertise, and then help other agents and other advisors in the industry to better serve the customers?
Yeah, absolutely. Since we spoke last year, we have been mostly focused on insurance, but now we're actually live with first banking customers, IFAs, investment advisors, family offices. So we see all of the realms of financial services interesting for us because it's about the vocabulary that allows us to have a higher transcription accuracy. It's about the workflows that only we really love, and of course that's a compliance muscle that is expected in financial services. So yeah, we are right now active in Europe and Latin America, mostly for financial services of all kinds. Yeah.
That's so exciting. I'm really happy to hear that. I believe you're going to be on stage?
Yes, we have tomorrow a small keynote about how you bring out the best of human and AI. Then I'm going to be on a panel about hands-on use cases in the afternoon, and I'm moderating a small panel but very exciting one, about AI ethics. How do you get the human centricity right? Because it's not about deploying technology, it's about being fair to your customers, to your employees, society at large. And it's not only a regulatory checkbox, it's also going to be a very exciting panel with some of the largest regulators, banks and insurance companies in the Nordics, how they roll out AI compliantly and ethically as well.
All right, amazing. And then could you share with us maybe one snippet or one key message that you want the audience to take from your keynote tomorrow?
Yeah, I think it's AI can't eat your ice cream for you, right? What makes us human is that we are empathetic, that we have values, that we have norms, and I think you should maximize this when you have customer touch points, when you're advising customers. It's not only about explaining products, it's mostly also about how we show up as humans, how we show empathy, and how we help people navigate difficult life choices. That's what it's all about in financial advice.
Well, it sounds like an unmissable session. Michael, it's always a pleasure catching up with you. Thank you very much, and all the best for today.
Thank you.